ChatGPT hit 100 million users in 2 months, faster than any product in history, faster than Instagram, faster than TikTok. Yet, despite that, most executives still believe things about AI that simply are not true. Some of those beliefs cause them to avoid AI entirely. Others cause them to invest in the wrong things. In this video, we are going to clear 5 of the most common myths, one by one, starting from 5. Myth 5. You need a technical background to lead AI strategy. You do not. The most important AI leadership skills are business judgment, clear thinking, and the ability to ask hard questions. The CEOs and business unit leaders winning with AI right now did not write a single line of code. They knew which problem mattered most. Myth 4. AI is always objective and unbiased. This one is dangerous. AI learns from historical data, and historical data reflects historical human decisions, many of which were biased. Amazon scrapped an AI recruiting tool in 2018 after discovering it systematically downgraded resumes from women. The model did not decide to be biased. It learned bias from the data it was trained on. You are legally and ethically accountable for what your AI does, even if you did not build it. Myth 3. AI is only for tech companies. The highest ROI AI use cases right now are in operations, customer service, legal, finance, and healthcare. Klarna's AI handled 2.3 million customer conversations in a single month, equal to 700 full-time agents. JP Morgan reviews 12,000 contracts in seconds. Moderna designed a vaccine sequence in 2 days. None of that is a tech company problem. Myth 2. You need massive amounts of data to use AI. You do not, at least not to start. General-purpose AI tools need none of your data to deliver value today. You can use them right now for writing, summarizing, research, and analysis without connecting a single database. The myth that AI requires a big data project first has stopped many executives from starting at all. Start with what is available, build from there. Myth 1, the biggest one. AI will replace everyone soon. The truth is, AI replaces tasks, not roles, and the timeline is slower and more nuanced than the headlines suggest. The World Economic Forum projects AI will displace 85 million jobs but create 97 million new ones by 2030. The transition is real, but it is not the ending most executives fear. The person most at risk is not the one whose job uses AI, it is the one whose job is done by someone who uses AI better than they do. 5 myths cleared. The smartest people in AI publicly disagree on where this technology is going, and that includes the people who built it. That means calibrated curiosity is the right executive posture, not fear, not blind optimism. Your job is not to predict the future, it is to make better decisions with what you know today. And now you know a little more.